Three men die and go to heaven, and they're told there's only one rule: don't step on ducks. And they all think this is gonna be easy, so they look around, but there are ducks everywhere. The first guy tries to walk, but sure enough, he steps on a duck, and for his punishment, they tie him up to the ugliest girl they can find. The second guy tries to tiptoe everywhere, but after 30 minutes, he steps on a duck, so for his punishment, they tie him up to the ugliest girl they can find. The third guy decides not to move for the whole day, so he ends up not stepping on a duck, and for his reward, they find the most beautiful woman you have ever seen, and they chain them up together. The man looks at the woman and says, "I don't know what I did to deserve being chained up to someone so beautiful for the rest of eternity." She looks at him and says, "I don't know about you, but I stepped on a duck."